Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 7th. Okay, so students, in a class 7th, as you know, I have started your chapter 11. And what is the name of chapter 11? The name of chapter 11 is a reproduction in a plants. Okay, so students, in a plants, yesterday I told you about the vegetative reproduction, and vegetative reproduction is held by the two methods. First one is a natural method and second one is the artificial method. Okay, so natural method I told you. Today in this video I'm just going to telling you about the artificial vegetative method of production of a plants. Okay, so students, let's start our today's topic. Here students, one thing mind, the artificial method is generally done by the following method. We can say that these are the method of artificial vegetative reproduction in a plants. Okay, so first one method is a cutting. Okay, the second method is a grafting, the third method is a layering, and fourth and last method is a tissue culture. Okay, so always remember students, here firstly I am telling you about a cutting. So cutting is a very simple method of a vegetative reproduction in a plants. It is done by human being and that's why it is known as artificial vegetative reproduction. Clear? So in a cutting process, generally the stem of a roses, also sugar canes. So this type of a plant's stem is cut and then this stem is grown in the another moisture soil. So after in a growing moisture soil, this stem get moisture, temperature and fertility and whatever they need about a nutrient material from the soil. Then after this, this will be grow and make a new plants. Okay, so this one is example of a cutting I have made here. Suppose this one is the flower, this one is the plant of a rose. Okay, so what you have to do in the cutting process? In a cutting process, very simple, you have to cut the stem of a plant, rose plant, or you can say take another plant also. So this stem after cutting will grow in the another pot or another soil, and here one thing you have to remember, the soil should be moisture. Okay, so after the growing of this stem in the soil, this stem will get the nutrient material from the moisture soil, and according to the atmospheric condition, this will be grow and make a new plant. Okay, so this is known as a cutting process. Okay, now the second method is a grafting, and the grafting is a very important method. Okay, so listen, what is the process of grafting? First one I am telling you, beta, grafting is the method where the two or more plants are transisted together, are combined together, and then this transition, by the transition, okay, this will be make the two variety of a new plants, the two quality of a new plants. Okay, so we can say that is a hybrid. Okay, this the grafting process is the hybridization of a two or more than two plants. Okay, so for example, we have take here, this one is the process of a grafting. So always remember, in a grafting process, firstly in any plant where bud is found. Okay, so where the bud is found, from there this cut and join with the other plant roots. Okay, so if the plant where bud is found is known as a scion. Here we can say that this is a scion. Okay, this one is a scion, and here in a scion plant bud is found, and this part will be connected to the another plant root, and the another plant which root is used is known as a stalk. Okay, so this one is combination of a second plant is root and first plant is scion and stalk bind together tightly. Here I have made this diagram. This one is the bud plant which is known as a scion, and the second one is the another plant which is stalk. Okay, so stalk and scion are combined together tightly, and then after it grow in the pot or a soil. So after some time, the stalk plant give the water, mineral, whatever need for the plant growing. So after from the is known as here stalk, the nutrient and material will be goes to the first plant with first plant buds in a first plant buds, and buds plant is known as a squat. Okay, so then after it will be grow in the optimum, in the available, yeah, we can say that in the atmospheric, yeah, we can say the climatic condition. Okay, which the condition which is necessary for the growing of a plant, and then after the new plant will be grow. And here one thing very important in a grafting process, because of two nature of a plants are combined together, and that's why in a it is known as a hybrid plant. And listen, hybrid plant gives us the different variety of flower, fruits, whatever we combine together. Okay, so always remember this is the method of a grafting, and these two method is important for the artificial method. The third and fourth one I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, so this is all about of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.